Hello friends, I want to tell you a little about the M111 engine with a volume of 2 liters, 136 horsepower here. To many it seems too small, and they spend money to chipping it and accurate turbine and compressor. But the best option would be to replace the motor with a large one. Friends, of the entire time of operating nothing has been done on it. The oil, filter and candles have changed. Two coils for 4 cylinders, wires and candles themselves cost a penny. The chain runs 200-250,000. Of the minus friends of all time, the cylinder head gasket was replaced, and that's why was my fault. The radiator leaked liquid, the motor overheated as a result of which the gasket pieced. The engine is very reliable and economical. Fuel consumption of 10-11 liters city, highway less. Oil needs to be added 4 liters if compared with a 2.4 engine, where 8 liters are needed. It turns out cheaper.